So let's use the product to sum formula to rewrite the following expression. So we have sine 6 theta times sine 4 theta. So notice here we do have a product, we have a multiplication going on here. So it's asking us to use the product to sum formula to rewrite this. So there's going to be times, maybe working on different formulas in trig, pre-calc, calculus, where you might need a sum instead of a product like you have here, right? So we use the product to sum formula to rewrite that. Now, there are different formulas depending on what you have, like sine times cosine, cosine times cosine. We have sine times sine. And the formula for that says that sine of x times sine of y is equal to 1/2, open your brackets, cosine of x minus y minus cosine of x plus y. So we're just going to fill in accordingly here. So dropping down the 1/2, we're going to have cosine of x minus y. So our x is the 6 theta, our y is the 4 theta. So that'll be 6 theta minus 4 theta, minus cosine of x plus y, so 6 theta plus 4 theta. Now let's go ahead and subtract that. That's going to give us a cosine of 2 theta minus a cosine, so adding here gives us a 10 theta. Otherwise, the only thing left to do here is go ahead and distribute that 1/2 that's there in front, making this a 1/2 cosine 2 theta minus a 1/2 cosine 10 theta.